Okay, so first thing we need to remember the formula. Now we have a little triangle here of speed, distance and time. Distance always goes at the top. We're looking for speed, so speed equals distance over time. The distance travelled between the two times. Let's have a look where the two times are. So we've got 10:15 and 11 o'clock. So it's the full duration of the journey. So it's total distance travelled, which is 30, over the total time. Now it's not quite an hour, it's 3/4 of an hour, so it's 0.75 of an hour. And you can either work this out. You could divide the top and bottom by 3 and then times it by 4. So if you divide top and bottom by 3, and there's different ways of doing this, 0.25 and then times it by 4, you get 40 over 1, which is just 40. Or you can do it 30 divided by 3/4, so 30 divided by 3/4, which is the same thing as there, and then you do same change flip, so or KFC, change that to a times, and there should be a 4 at the bottom there, so I might have written a 7, and flip the second one. So 30 times 4 is 120, divided by 3 is 40. Loads of different ways of doing that without a calculator. Obviously if you've got a calculator, type in 30 divided by 0.75.